It's when you hook into the sailfish, man, that feeling is it's very hard to explain. It's very hard to explain. You have to hook one yourself to understand why so many anglers come here for the sailfish.
Rompin is a small fishing town. I guess the main industry is actually fishing itself. Besides the sailfish fishing, they also do have commercial fishing for anchovies.
It's a little bit different from a bustling city like Singapore. It's a really nice village, I would say. It feels like you're traveling back in time when you go to Rompin, because everything there is, there's no high-rise buildings or anything. It's a very nice kampong.
And that's the beauty of Rompin. They are situated in an area with beautiful fishing grounds, massive fish, and I think that's the reason why so many anglers come over to Rompin to fish every year. So you get to Rompin, most anglers would have to fly to Singapore, Changi Airport, and then from Singapore they have to take a 2.5 hour to 3 hour drive across the border to Malaysia, up along the east coast of Malaysia, along some palm oil plantations. Usually this is driven through the night, so we get there the next morning ready to fish.
But once you reach Rompin, it's not over yet. You have to travel another 2 hours by boat to the sailfish location.
The Rompin boats they are designed very light. Okay, it's a fiberglass ranging from 33 to about 36 feet. You can travel easily about 20 to 22 knots.
Well, Rompin is the sailfish capital of the world.
This is the only place in the world they can catch 5, 6, maybe 10, maybe 20 sailfish within a single day.
And you can never get this kind of fishing, around Malaysia or in other places lah. They are huge. They run super fast, and when they cut through the water, your line just slices through the water with them.
I'm really tired. You gotta jump. Come on, no. Nice.
Oh, wasted. What did I do wrong with that, Keith?
I don't know, man. I thought that was yours.
Well, if I had to put it in words, when you fish for sailfish, especially with a bait, you're letting line out with a live bait, and when the sailfish takes, your line starts to fly out, literally fly out. You wait another 8-10 seconds, you close the bail, get the line straight. Because you're using a circle hook, you don't have to set the hook that hard, but after that, it's just mental.
It's crazy. They put up a great fight. There are many instances where the reels almost get spooled.
And they are the fastest fish in the world, and the first run is amazing. Sailfish is so beautiful. It's a majestic animal. When they open up the sail, the blue and purple.
They are just superb fighters, and I understand why people would travel all the way here to Rompin to actually fish for them.
I'll be back in Rompin next year.